Welcome back to Hope, Will, and Compassion. I'm your host, Morgan. It's that time of year, the weather's getting great, so now we got to start thinking about our pools if you own one. And today, I'd like to talk about pool pump covers. All that coming up next. Alright, welcome back everybody. So this is generally the kind of pump that I use to get the water off of the top. And I don't know if these are 3D printed or what, but I'm always having the problem of when I attach my hose to the pump itself, they crack. This is a $35 pump, and I have already gone through 2 of these, with even trying, as you can see, to fix them myself. So I bought the EDOU swimming pool cover pump. So what's different about these pumps, not only the size, but it's the metal. These use a metal nozzle that you insert in there and screw in. Now it comes with this hose, but if you want, you can screw this end in to the pump, and then you would be screwing this into your hose, and you will have a thicker hose to get more water out of. I decided I'm just going to use the hose that it comes with. So I figured this would be a good time to do a demonstration. I had already emptied out most of the pool cover, as you can see, but we had a bit of rain, and so now I can give a good demonstration of how this works. You're going to immerse it right onto your pool cover. As you can see, it's gone in. Another feature that's different with this one, other than like other ones, is that this one's remote. Pretty cool. One of the beautiful options about it is if you do see that the water has depleted from the top, you don't want to burn out the motor. So anywhere from the house, if I could just look out one of the windows, maybe I'm working on something else, maybe I'm doing some vacuuming, laundry, I could just come over to the window, see that the water's empty, turn it off so I don't burn out my motor. All in all, this pump cost me over $75, just a bit. I think it was like $78. Turned out to be a really great little pump. I'm totally satisfied. And I think this is a great model to purchase. And I would stay away from those all plastic ones because you don't want that nozzle breaking and then you just feel like you spent $35 for nothing. All right, everybody. That's all for this episode. Be seeing you.